Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, if you have not still moved to the coaching centers, you must move because last academic year turned the victim of COVID-19 pandemic and you are badly hit. In order to compensate this loss, you must move to some government-run tutorials or private-run coaching centers in order to compensate that loss. Physical mode of teaching is the actual mode of teaching, and this mode of teaching can't be substitute. That is the digital platform or virtual classes can't be substitute for the physical mode of teaching. Face-to-face interaction is must, and you must have a teacher in front of you to learn things well. Dear students, one more mantra is there to get the things in your favor. That is, you must work hard, you must put extra efforts so that you can take your sinking boat to the bank, because your boat is sinking. Always schools remain shed by some circumstances, whether these are unfavorable circumstances and calamities like pandemic COVID-19 that hit whole world in 2019. Dear students of 10th and 12th and also SSRB aspirants, today we are dealing with very important topic, that is the modelers. Dear students, these modelers are of two types. One is the primary modelers or primary auxiliaries, and second is the model auxiliaries. And yesterday we discussed something about the primary modelers, that is be, have and do, and today we are dealing with the modelers. Dear students, modelers shows modality. Modality means mode in which the things exist or the things are done. So the permission, requests, suggestions, these are the modalities, and these modalities are shown by the modal verbs in English. And it is first modal verb is can, and today we are dealing with the can, how can is used, where can is used, and how could is used, and where could is used. First of all, can is used to show the present ability of a person. Present, you must keep in the mind that can is used to show the present ability of a person. For example, I can jump, I can read, I can write, I can walk. So these are the abilities that a person has in the present. So present abilities are shown by modal auxiliary can. So first of all, you have to keep in the mind that a can shows the ability, and ability also finds place in a modality, because the modality means a mode or in which the things exist or things are done. So we can see can is used to show present ability. Its examples are I can jump, I can read, I can teach mathematics, I can teaching. These are the abilities of a person in present. And can is also used to seek permission or to give permission, but it's not formal way of seeking permission. It is not formal way of seeking permission. For example, can I use your pen? You can use my pen. When I am asking can I use your pen, this is I am seeking permission. I am seeking permission. And also can is used to give permission, but it's not a formal way of seeking permission. Formal way of seeking permission. Can is also used to predict the things which are very near. For example, the girl coming can be Rekha. If the girl is nearer to me, very near to me, I can predict that the girl coming can be Rekha. So can is used to show present ability. Can is used to use it for seeking permission and giving permission, and can is also used to predict things which are very near. Dear students, now the can could. In case of indirect speech, only, the past of can is could. Past of can is could. For example, in indirect speech, I can say like this: he said I can jump. He said I can jump. This is the direct speech. And its indirect speech can be made like this: he said that he could jump. So can get a changed into could in case of direct to indirect speech. So past of can is could in case of indirect speech. So first of all, you have to keep in the mind that can has passed in case of indirect speech, that is the could. Now where could is used? Could shows the past ability, just can shows the present ability, could shows the past ability. For example, when I was 20 years old, I could bat well, I could run well. This is my past ability. And past ability is always shown by the word could. It's for example, when I was 20 years old, I could bat well. When I was 20 years old, I can read well. So, past of can is also could, and could shows past ability. Past ability, and could is also used for a polite request. Polite request. Could I use your pen? It is more polite than can. It is more polite than can. Could I use your pen? You could use my pen. It's also a polite request, and it's also a way of seeking permission. Way of seeking and giving permission, but it's not a formal way of seeking permission or giving permission. Remember, it is not formal way of seeking or giving permission, but it can be used for a polite request. Could I use your pen? You could use my pen. This is the use of could. And could is also used to predict things which are very far. For example, if a commentator is doing commentary of a live match, but he does commentary in the corner of the stadium, and in during the course of commentary or during commentary he says, Afridi has hit ball in the air. It could be six. It could be six, that he has to predict the things from very far place. So it is also a possibility or a prediction. Afridi hits a ball that could be six. So could has also the use to predict the things which are very far. Dear students, I am now repeating the things. Modal verbs and primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries is be, had, and do, and modals are 10 in number, and modals show the modality, and modality means a mode in which the things exist or things are done. So the permission, suggestion, request, these are all the things, willingnesses, these all things are shown by the modal verbs in English. Today we are dealing with the can and could. Can is used to show the present ability of a person. For example, I can read, I can jump, I can write, I can teach mathematics, I can teach English. These are my present abilities. And can is also used to seek permission and to give permission, but it's not a formal way of seeking permission. For example, can I use your pen? You can use my pen. This is not a formal way of seeking permission, but it can be used, because modality means in also a behavior in which what a person does, in a manner in which things are done, or a mode in which the things exist. So can I use your pen? You can use mine. This shows the permission. This is the way of seeking permission or giving permission, but it's not a formal way of permission. And it's also used to predict the things which are very near. For example, the girl coming can be Rekha, the girl coming can be Ruxana. Now the could. Could is a past of can in case of indirect speech only. In case of indirect speech only, he said I can jump. He said that he could jump. And could is also used to show the past ability. When I was 20, I could bat well. When I was 30 years old, I could run well. Could is also used for polite requests. Could I use your pen? You could use my pen. It's there. They also the way of seeking and giving permission. Yet students, could is also used to predict the things that are very far. For example, I have already quoted an example. A commentator does commentary in the corner of the ground very far from the action. He says sometimes after he hits a ball and ball is in the air, it could be a six, because he had to predict the things from very far area. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. This is just a beginning of the modal auxiliaries, modal verbs. In the next class, we will discuss things. This is only the introduction. We will discuss the things in an elaborated manner. And in case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by WhatsApp or by calling, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But better is to see these things on your available English grammar books, and also remain busy with the books. Do remain attached with the book so that you can get the things in your favor. Thanks. Be well, asset.